morning, children. How are you? Fine? Good? Not good? Oh, it's okay. Okay, are you interested for today's class? Yes? Show me a thumbs up. Yes. Okay, so today is 16th of July, Thursday. Okay, so this work is for Thursday. Okay, and today we are going to listen story of the sound. Okay, are you excited for the story? Yes. Okay, so we'll see the story. Okay, first we will listen the story and then we will learn the formation. Okay, how you have to make the sound properly. Okay, children, so first we will listen story and then we will learn the formation. Okay, then we will do the formation with Play-Doh. Okay, that we will do on my table. Okay, and rest of the work also I will explain on my table. Okay, children, so are you excited? Yes? Happy? Yes? Okay, smile now. Smile. Okay, show me your thumbs up. Good job. Okay, now let's listen the story of the sound. Which sound, children? Sound. The sound? Sound. Okay. So before doing anything, do you remember the song of the sound? Yes? No? Okay. If you don't know, let me help you. If you know, then very good. Okay, so let's do the action of the sound. Okay, and so the song goes like this, but do you remember the action? You just have to hop. Okay, hop means you have to jump. Okay, so the song goes like this. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop. Okay, did you listen the song I taught you yesterday? Okay. If you don't know, then you can do it again and again. Okay, then you will memorize it. Okay, so let's do the song and the action again. Are you ready? Okay, now you also will sing with me and do the action. Okay, kids, so the action is you have to hop, hop, and then yeah, you just have to hop, hop, and at the last you have to bend. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3 and go. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop. Okay, good job. Okay, if you still having difficulty in doing the action of the song, you can play the video again and again and do the action with me and the song. Okay, and mama will help you. Okay, so now let's listen the story of the sound, then we will go to my table. Okay, so let's start the story. Okay, so before starting the story, let me ask you, do you like sports? Do you like playing sports, running, jumping, you know, competitions, lot of competitions. Do you like sports days? Yes? Okay, you are very excited it seems. So, in the story also we have a summer fun day, okay, like sports day. So, they are the children, they are having, I'll show you a picture. The children, they are having, okay, summer's fun day. See, children are having fun on the summer's day, okay. So, there is different type of races, and in our story also there is one race, that is hopping race, okay, hopping race with the sack, okay, sack, you know sack, yes, the sack, okay. So what happens, we give sack to the students, okay, they wear the sack and then they race, okay. So 2-3 children, they'll wear the sack, they'll be inside the sack and they'll be jumping and running, okay, to the last point, and whoever comes first gets the prize, okay. So in our story, the children are having summer fun day, and then they are having the sack race, okay, they are jumping, 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 jumping. What happens when you jump a lot? What happens? What happens? Okay, what happens when you run? Okay, you get tired, no, at last. So these children also, they jumped, 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 okay, they hopped, 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 and then what happens at last? They are tired. Oh my god. So when you are tired, what do? You do like this, no? So the same sound is this, okay. So that's why we have taken that picture I told you yesterday to color. So the child is hopping, the child is doing the hop race, okay, on that. So when the race is finished, the child gets tired and then he or she pants, okay, like this, okay. Do you understand? Okay. So this was the story of the sound, okay. So rest of the work I will tell you on my table. I hope you will enjoy the story, okay. Let's come with me to my table. Okay children, now we will make the sound with the Play-Doh, okay. So I have taken the maida flour, okay, I have made the dough with that, okay. So you can take any flour and you can make the dough, okay. You can add color also in this, so I will show you with this, okay. So the first thing, you have to make a standing line of the sound, okay. Let's make the standing line of the sound, okay. So can you see children, I have made the standing line of the sound, okay. All of you children, please put your finger on the dough like this and say with me, standing line. Say standing line, okay. So now we will make the curve of the sound, curve of the sound, okay. So see children, I have made the curve also, okay. Now put your finger again and say with me, curve, curve. Okay, standing line, curve. Okay, so this is the sound. Okay, you make it at home and put your finger on this and try to make it. Standing line, curve. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this. Okay, now children, you need to take this book out, Phonics People Book 1. Okay, for the homework. Take out this book, then turn on to the page number 10. Okay, page number 10. Okay, so here what we will do is, you have colored this part yesterday, okay, in homework. So now what you will do today is, you will trace out the sound and the previous sounds here. Okay, so first you will trace the sound with dots and then without dot. Okay, so here I have done 2 for you. I will show this 3 again. So what you have to do, first you have to put your pencil on the dot, then you have to make a standing line and then the curve between this 2 line. Okay, again let me tell you, on the dot, then standing line and the curve between this 2 line. Okay, again standing line and then the curve between this 2 line. Okay, like this you have to do on the dots, and this one is without dot. So what you will do is, you will remember the dots. Okay, so same dot we have here. So what you will do, put your pencil on the dot, make a standing line. Okay, then you make the curve. Okay, like this. So again, put your pencil on the dot, standing line and then the curve. Okay, put your pencil on the dot, standing line and then the curve. Okay, put your pencil on the dot and then the curve. Like this you have to make. Okay, so you just have to make it straight. Okay, don't make this one. If you are comfortable you can make, but we usually make this sound. Okay, so now in the next line what you have to do, you have to write the previous sounds that you have learned, okay, before the sound. So this one is E. So what you will do is, first you will trace it on the dot, okay, and then you will trace it without dot, like this. Okay, same thing with this, same thing with this. Okay, first you will trace it with dot and then without dot. Then N also you will make with dot and then without dot. Okay, then K with dot and then K without dot, K with dot, K without dot, with dot, without dot. Okay, like I have told you this one, the same thing you will do here. Okay children, so do your work and do it very neatly and correctly. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.